Okay, if you need help with this sound, that's fine. First, let's say I. Now check out my video for the sound. Then put the sounds together. IRE, IRE, IRE. Okay, once you figured this out, you'll be doing great. Let's start practice. I'll say the words, then you repeat after me. Wire, wire. Tires, tires. Pliers, pliers. Ireland, Ireland. Inspire, inspire. Liar, liar. Friar, friar. Flyer, flyer. Higher, higher. Fire, fire. Dryer, dryer. Fire, fire. Don't forget, everyone sounds a little different based on our dialect or where we're from or the people we spend time with. So keep that in mind, do your best, and keep practicing. Comment down below if you have a question. I'll see you soon. Bye!